All right, QNT on the hourly chart. We're going to look at the hourly to start off with, kind of more focused down for what's going to happen the rest of the day. Then we're going to zoom out to the daily, the weekly, look at resistance levels, flip levels, support, resistance, all that good stuff. So let's get right to it. On the hourly for what you're watching for today, holding resistance on the 200 EMA, right, this pink line here. Once we break that, you got your zone up here, right, kind of the local areas that we've been visiting. But if we flip like 129, 130, really a potential long there. Other than that, we're kind of looking to kind of fade this kind of bounce and this rally. Maybe we're on a short. That would be a good time. And then, stop loss just above this zone here. Pretty good trade. You want to short into resistance and buy at support. So if you're doing anything else, you're just more gambling than not. So we're approaching resistance here. Now you might say, well, what if it breaks out? Then yeah, that's why you have a stop loss. And then you flip to long, right? If you break a resistance level, you're much more likely to have a breakout, and then you can just go long, right? So that's what I'm looking at on the hourly for QNT. Let's zoom out to the daily chart and see what we have here. Here's the same zone, right? Still holding resistance, still a good zone right there. And also going all, I mean, you could stretch this box back all the way over here, right? Kind of that 129, 130 level. That should hold, right? So again, fitting our thesis of shorting the bounce, right? Move down. Maybe this is just a short-term rally for a couple days, and then we're going back down more, right? Maybe opportunity to buy lower. But holding resistance under the 200 EMA at 126. So until proven otherwise, that is your resistance zone, your resistance EMA on the daily chart as well. So let's zoom out to the weekly, get a bigger snapshot, and you can see even as you zoom out, right, the levels are still holding. So really for QNT to go long again, I'm looking above 130. And other than that, you're fade these bounces, short up in here, and hope to buy lower, maybe make some money on the way down. Stop loss, like 129, 130, whatever your risk tolerance is, works out well, right? Short at resistance, buy at support. Anything else is a pure gamble. That's QNT on the hourly, the daily, the weekly summary. Looking good on the bigger chart though for the 2022. We're setting up, pretty nice bullish reversal pattern. Kind of a failed breakout here so far, but that's just consequence of a bear market. But looking at this, right, I like it. Maybe we can get another shot here. As long as we don't take out this low, I think we're still okay. If we break, 90, probably going to break down and look at this level again. But, looking at kind of stair step in here, we don't want to give this away real quick. So hoping that we can hold 90. If we come back down, that's your kind of buy zone, right? That's the support level. Enter a long here, stop loss, right around the 85 level, these low wicks. If we lose that, you're much likely coming back down in this area. But if that holds, right, great entry for, the next bull run going into 2023, 2024, 2025, all the good stuff. And, once we clear kind of this 200 level, I mean, you got, sky's the limit, right? So that's QNT in a nutshell with the yellow Crayola marker, keeping it real with the elementary school drawings. All right. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.